Wide body. Y'all see that wide body? And a demon. Yeah, it's about to go down over here. Y'all better come over here. See it. It's cool. Wide body, red eye. Man. It's clean. Chrysler over here with a Magna Charger. Y'all see that? Shit crazy, like I say. Oh shit. It's just a lot of stuff. What's up? That mug clean. It's alright. That mug. It's all clean, bro. Damn, boy. Y'all subscribe, man. Shit, I got more content coming. Yeah, y'all subscribe though. We got more stuff. Truck out here too. Damn. Sick. Yeah. The Audi V10. Alright. I have not a subscriber, but I have somebody here, a guest for you all, and he's gonna talk about his Subaru, and he's gonna just tell some stuff about it. Y'all gonna see it soon. I'm gonna just, show y'all what it is and stuff, but he's gonna talk about it right here. All right.
Yeah, I'm a member from Savage. This is my 06 Subaru Hawkeye. Basically, a lot of bolt-ons and a lot of work on it, front end, from intercoolers, 20G turbos, and CP pistons, forged pistons. Mostly everything is there. Metal injection, VCU, dyno, pushing 340 horsepower right now.
Yeah.
Not big, but it helps out. It's overdrive, and with CCWs all around.
Okay.
Tons of work on it.
All right.
It's pretty much all there.
Okay. All right, man. That's what's up. I'm gonna just show him around the car, go around a little bit, just show him and stuff. But I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. So this is the inside of the car, y'all. I didn't want to show it to y'all while he was talking, but I just wanted to give y'all a glimpse of what it looks like. And it's clean. And everything. Y'all see a steering wheel probably right there. Y'all can see it, but this is the whole car and everything. Just gonna go around and show y'all the racing. You see racing, y'all see that? It's just tinted. I hope y'all like it. This was maternal stuff. Alright. As y'all can see, it's a ZL1 also right here, the blue. Tell me what y'all think. Is it clean or? That's the back of it, y'all can see too. More cars, y'all see that? More. It's the little car y'all just saw. Y'all remember? Nissan GTR pulling up, y'all see that? So we got them both parked here now, but y'all missing a good show. See, y'all come to Houston, y'all see all this shit. Tonka pickup truck. So it's clean too. just parked too. Y'all saw cars, Hondas, everything. Yeah. Mustang. Hellcat. Y'all tell. Smart effects.
Hey, you know what I mean? Corbin. Corbin on the last one.
Hell yeah. More cars putting in for y'all. BMWs. What's up? Acuras. Damn, man. Y'all missing. Ooh. Hellcat. Look, clean. See the Mustang is about to take off. Yeah. So I out here. Peace of man. Damn, but everybody about to get the charger for y'all. Fast and Furious shit going on, boy. The charger. I got a charger. You can see that it's orange. Oh, nice. Mustang. Yeah, yeah. The engine nice too.
Yeah.
But the back of it, you saw what was on the back? They got the gas thing and then they did some stuff to this. But it don't even come like that. Like how he got it. Yeah, I wish I had some light on that. Big boy.
Like a 15. What is that?
Yeah, the truck, yeah. All right, stop. Hey, go up a little bit.
Yeah, y'all see that.
Danny, what's the dark over here? All right, you're good. Yeah, you got some lights? It's too dark out here, bro.
I know. The lights aren't working.
I'm sorry. Clean, y'all see them, bro. Dang. It's all dark now. Fuck. The back. Y'all see the back? Man, excuse me for the darkness. Spider-Man. There you go, rapping and shit. Oh, shit.